The stretch, lift, or tap program encourages us to look at our daily activities to increase our movement and our activity levels. Adding some extra stretching, lifting, or tapping in our day-to-day lives can have a positive effect on increasing our flexibility, our strength, and coordination. Let's take laundry as an example. Laundry offers lots of opportunities to stretch, lift, and tap. When folding a bed sheet, lift the sheet out of the dryer or off the drying rack. Hold the ends of the sheet and stretch as wide as you can. Stretch your neck as you tuck in your chin to your chest to hold the sheet in place. Stretch both arms forward to fold the sheet in half, then stretch again to fold again. Stretch your neck, tuck in your chin to your chest to hold the sheet in place. As you fold the length into half, fold again. Set the folded sheet aside, tapping and sweeping your hand to smoothen the sheet. When folding a shirt, hold the shirt at the shoulders and stretch your arms. Snap the shirt briskly to open out any wrinkles. Stretch your arms to lay the shirt flat on the table and button alternate buttons. Lift the shirt and place it button side down. Stretch your arms and lift and fold a panel of the shirt on the back of the shirt. Fold the sleeve of the panel over the folded panel. Tap and smooth and straighten the edge. Repeat for the second panel. Stretch your arms to lift the bottom of the shirt along with the folded panels to fold the shirt in half. Tap and smooth to straighten the folds and set the shirt aside. All of these actions can be modified to make sure you stay safe. So for example, if you have any concerns about balance or mobility, you can safely fold laundry while seated in a chair using a tabletop as a base. You can flatten the sheet, shirt, or relevant items safely on the tabletop and safely stretch your arms and your back to get the job done. For added fun, turn on some music while you're doing the activity and add in some toe tapping as well.